create a parenting and family services website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website for free with squarespace.com. So the first thing we do is we click on get started, and we can see a lot of templates that we can choose from and adjust some things, change some designs and some pages, and our website will be set to go. So here we have a lot of templates that are pre-made. We need just to adjust little things, and we also have the blank template that you can use if you want to build your website from scratch. But for me I love saving time, so I would just go with the templates that are pre-made. So let's answer these questions, or let's just skip them, and also let's skip these ones, and let's go straight to choosing a template. So here we can filter them by type or by topic. So you can filter by online store, portfolio, but let's leave that as it is. And here we can filter by topic, like all templates, photography, health and beauty, but we're in the parenting and family services. So let's see if we can find that in here. So let's see if we can find something about family. So that is not in here. Let's go with professional services to see if we can find anything like that. So here there is a website for personal trainer, nutritionist and yoga, and the blank template that I talked about, copywriter, creating thoughtful spaces, creative manager, and this is for Brandy Ortiz. I don't know what is that. And this is for designing. This one is for creative director, some portfolio, I guess. So let's just look if we can find something related to our niche or close to that. So I hope we can find something like that. So let's just keep looking. Actress and model, real estate. This is for mental health, and this is for finding happiness, and this is for coaching, and this is for organizing weddings, sports or Hollywood or whatever is that, yoga, albums. I'm going to choose the one that talks about this one, that talks about happiness. You can just change some things and it will be good. You can just click on start with Almar. If you want to preview, you click on preview, and we wait for them to set things up for us. If you encounter this message, just click OK and click on it again, and everything will be good. So you wait for it to set things up, and then they will request a title for your website. You can always skip that, but for me I'm going to give it a title because I don't want to mix between my websites, because you can create multiple websites using this platform. So if you want to organize your websites, you just give everyone a title. So for this one I'm going to give it a title which is parenting and family services, which is my niche. So I'm just going to type it in here, click on it and Ctrl V, and it will be pasted as you can see, and then hit continue and close these tabs because we don't need them anymore. So let's close them, and then let's go on the sections, and I'm going to explain every section and its use. So the first one is website, where you can create your pages and adjust the ones that you already have. As you can see, those are your pages. You can delete them or create another ones or adjust the ones that you already have. Here we have commerce, where you can add products or see your orders, inventory, customers, discounts, set your payments, gateways, a subscription if you want more ways to sell, like memberships or custom merch. And let's leave that as it is. Let's go to marketing, which is pretty obvious. Your email campaigns, profiles, SEO appearance, promotion pop-up. So you can set all the things that are related to your marketing, your pixels also. Then we go to scheduling, and it's very important for our business, because we want to put a schedule in our website and give people a calendar and tell them the time that we are available. So this is the place where we can do that. I'm going to show you that in a bit. Just wait for it to load. If you're having a hard time loading, just click on reload and they will be setting things up. This platform lags sometimes, so you just need to have some patience with it, and everything will be good. And here we wait for things to set up. So here you can create your appointment types, you can set your availability time, you can design your scheduling page, and you can also share your scheduling page, and a lot more in this section. So let's go back and let's go straight up to the editing phase. I think the other ones are pretty much obvious, like the asset library, where you can upload your images and save them there. Analytics, where you can see your charts and your visitors and your geography, sales, and what's more, your profiles, where you can see the profiles of your clients. And settings, it's pretty obvious, where you can set your profile, your domain name, and set your payment processors. So let's go to the editing phase. We click on edit, and it's going to expand for us to have the full view of the website. So this is the editing section. You can change pretty much everything you want, sections, blocks, images, and everything. It's pretty easy to deal with. And here you have the site styles, if you want to change the fonts, colors, animation, and spacing, buttons shape, and so on. So I just wanted to give you an overview of the website, guys, and I hope you understand what I explained in this video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.